Good morning, everyone. This is your teacher Tushar Agarwal. Friends, we are talking about the cyber safety in the previous sessions. So we have to continue with the same as we are having cybercrime as unit number 4 in our syllabus. So far, yesterday, let me revise something. We have studied last, what do you mean by cyber trolls, cyber bullying. Now, cyber trolls are what कि हम किसी को sarcastically, demeaning और insulting way में comments करते हैं किसी की personal online एक ओपिनियन के ऊपर उसे हम बोलते हैं ट्रोलिंग, जो आजकल बहुत ही फेमस है. सो द वर्ड ट्रोल कैन रेफर टू एज अ पर्सन हु इज डूइंग इट. इट मे रेफर्स डेरोगेटरी कमेंट्स. इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ साइबर बुलिंग. अब साइबर बुलिंग क्या होता है? साइबर बुलिंग occurs when someone uses internet, a cell phone, email or any kind of social media network to harass, demean, embarrass or intimidate someone else. इसका मतलब ये है कि कुछ भी अफवाहें हम फैलाते हैं, like your WhatsApp, so many videos and so many audios you receive. So this is a part of cyber bullying. This is known as cyber bullying. So what is the definition of cyber bullying? Harassing, demeaning, embarrassing, defaming or intimidating someone using modern technologies like internet, cell phones, instant messenger, social networks is called cyberbullying. Next is cyber stalking. Now friends, this is a new term for you, as cyberbullying and cyber trolling has been done by you from media or for phones. Now what do you mean by cyber stalking? Stalking, instead of stalking here we talk about stalking. This is a kind of online harassment where a victim is subject to barrage of online messages and emails. Look, typically these stalkers know their victims, and instead of resorting to offline stalking, they use internet to stalk. A cyber stalker relies upon the anonymity afforded by the internet to allow them to stalk their victim without being detected. Look how crucial this can be, our information. In cyber stalking, online harassment is done on the victim that is subjected to barrage. Barrage means to bombard, to just attack a single person. कि हम उसके ऑनलाइन मैसेजेस और उसकी ऑनलाइन मेल्स को फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ ऑनलाइन हरेसमेंट हम लोग शुरू कर देते हैं विक्टिम के ऊपर. एंड दिस टिपिकली आर नो देयर विक्टिम्स, एंड बिकॉज उनके पास विक्टिम की इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ रिजॉर्टिंग टू ऑफलाइन स्टॉकिंग कि वो फेस टू फेस उसको स्टॉक करें, दे स्टार्ट ऑन द इंटरनेट. नाउ अ साइबर स्टॉकर relies upon the anonymity afforded by the internet, that कि वो इंटरनेट पे कितना कर सकता है, right? Next is, what are the various troubles that the cyber stalkers victim can have? Now cyber stalkers can collect all personal information about the victim, such as their name, family background, telephone numbers, workplace telephone numbers, daily routine, address of the residence, place of work, date of birth. Now friends, this is very important, as cyber stalker is known to you. He or she knows you very well. Your personal information like your name, father's name, family background, he or she can use on online cyber stalking to attack on your messages and emails, your information, right? The stalker may post this information on any filthy, obscene or illegal website, posting as if the victim is posting this information. They can just post this information of yours on some illegal websites, some bad websites that are not good for use, such as that you are posting that, right? People of all kind from nook and corner of the world who come across this information start calling at the victim. Means जो कोई भी उस information को पढ़ेगा, अब क्या करना शुरू कर देगा कि आपको कॉल करेगा, आपसे बात करना चाहेगा, whatever. This is a kind of very bad thing. Some stalkers subscribe the email account of the victim to innumerable obscene or legal sites, because of which starts receiving such kinds of unsolicited emails कि वो किसी भी साइट को लाइक कर देगा जहां से उसकी unsolicited means गंदी emails या किसी और तरह की emails which are not good for a person starts coming. Some stalkers keep on sending repeated emails asking for various kind of favors or threaten the victim. धमकाने के लिए, उससे favors मांगने के लिए, depending yes, I will tell this to this, I will tell this to this. Okay, this kind of things. Stalkers follow their victim from board to board. They hang out on the same social networking site as their victim. Many times posting notes to the victim, making sure the victim is aware that he, she or being followed. कि उसको बार बार से harass किया जाता है कि देखो हम आप पे नजर रखे हुए हैं, we are following you, we are just after you. Stalkers will almost make contact with their victims through email, having friendly or threatening content. The stalker many times use multiple names when contacting the victim. So these are all the points how trouble can be created by the stalker to the victim. They collect all information about the victim, such as their name, birthplace, means personal information. Second point, they can post that information on behalf of victim on any filthy, obscene or illegal websites. People of all kind from nook and corner, means दुनिया में हर कोई उस information को देख सकता है, and they start calling at you and their residence. Some stalkers subscribe the email account so that they can just subscribe some illegal or offensive material from the internet by using their email accounts. Some stalkers keep on sending repeated emails. कुछ emails भेजते रहते हैं, some like friendly way or some threatening way. Stalkers follow their victim from board to board. They hang out on the same social networking. If you are using Facebook, they will follow on Facebook. If you are using Twitter, they will follow on Twitter. If you are using Insta, they will follow on Insta. Now stalkers will make almost contact with their victims through email, having they can be friendly mails asking you for favors or threatening mails. Yes, we can do it. Right. Next is spreading rumors online. This is very much done these days. If I will talk about the riots that happened in Delhi in a few months back, that are an example of spreading rumors online. Nowadays, we are getting a lot of videos, that religious videos, that this is killed by the other religion person, this is killed. Now, first we have to check whether they are correct or not. So, I am going to start with the topic, spreading rumors online. Now, people often think that they can make a fake profile with some different name and do anything online and will not be caught. ये एक rumor आपके दिमाग में आप illusion होता है कि हम कुछ भी करेंगे, like my name is ABC, मैं XYZ से नाम से बनाऊंगा location में. If I am in Delhi, I will use the location something. People often think that we can make a fake profile by another name, but friends, this is not correct, that you will make fake profiles and you will not be caught. Though such fake profiles, people sometimes indulge in posting false information, some information that is not relevant with the society, hurt other sentiments, and may trigger panic or create riots and terrorism across the areas. Now, spreading rumors online is a cybercrime and is punishable. Offering rumors online is a cybercrime and is a punishable offense. So, as per Information Act of India, publishing, circulation of such kind of rumors, especially hurting sentiments of people, is a cybercrime. Now, friends, it may invite a heavy fine, like lockdown is going on and there are so many fake information that is prevailing over the WhatsApp. So, government has already told that any person who is just dealing with this kind of information, spreading rumors, will be dealt severely and can be imprisoned for up to 3 years. So friends, spreading rumors online is not a good thing. Right? Next is reporting cybercrime. Now friends, if any cybercrime happens, then it is our duty to report first it to the parents. If I am talking about the school, first let me inform to my parents, my school authorities, and then to police. Because it might happen that the school students cannot identify that whether it is a cybercrime or not. The procedure of report cybercrime is more or less as for the reporting of any kind of offense. You have to just make a complaint to the police if cybercrime you have encountered, and this kind of procedure you have to follow. That is, to report a cybercrime, The local police stations can be approached for filing complaints, just as the cybercrime cells specially designated. Yes, in India there are specially designated cybercrime cells which are operated all over India. So we have to go to that particular cyber cell and launch our complaint. Second, in addition, provision have been made for cyber crimes so that you can file EFIR, means electronic FIR. In most of the states of India, means you can sit at home. If you encountered any problem, you can just file the information online. Third, in addition, the Ministry of Home Affairs, that is MHA, is launching a website for registering crimes against women and children online, including cyber crimes. So friends, there are three ways. Remember these things. First, you can go to a local police station that can be approached for filing complaints as cybercrime cells. In addition, what you can do, you can just file the online. You can just file online. In addition, the Ministry of Home Affairs is also going to launch a website very soon. So the Information Act categorically provides that a cybercrime has globally jurisdiction, meaning that the cybercrime may be reported in cybercrime units of any city, irrespective of the place where the crime is committed. Means if the cybercrime is committed in Delhi, you can report at some UP or some Chennai or some Bangalore areas also. So this is not the respective of area. Next is common social networking websites, which is an important question nowadays. It is common social networking websites. Now friends, social networking website is a web application on online platform where people can set up their public profile and make connections with online people. So there are many social networking websites which is a boom today. First is Facebook, which is very popular. Facebook is very popular today. It is a platform to set up your page where you can share your ideas, your opinions, your pictures, your personal information, videos. Through Facebook, you can connect with other parts of the world very easily, through anybody, right? It allows you to view the post, images and videos. Okay, so there are a lot of things that can be, done from the Facebook. Even the personal information can be leaked. It has been done by the Facebook previously. So Twitter, it is a microblogging website. It is a microblogging website in which we can post very small messages up to 250 characters. LinkedIn, it is a social networking website, right? So it provides features to make profile, resume, work experiences, your education, volunteer work. Instagram, it is one of the most popular websites to follow for your networks, social networks, online photo sharing. Insta and Facebook are very popular these days. Everyone is using them. Other popular websites or social networking websites is Google+, Pinterest, Snapchat, Reddit, etc. So friends, while using these websites, you must take care that they should be according to the use. We do not share any other informations on them. Okay. Now, tomorrow we are going to study about the appropriate usage of social networking websites. So, social networking website on Facebook, you can post, you can do anything. So, 4 examples I have told you of social networking websites which you have to learn very carefully, as this question can be asked. Now, what is online friends? The friends which you don't know personally, or you know personally and have set up profile on the same platform, that is on Facebook, Insta or anything, is known as your online friends, right? On Twitter you can post small messages, means we call it tweet, we are tweeting, right? So LinkedIn LinkedIn is highly used for some educational certification, awards or other purposes. Instagram, it is one of the most popular social networking for online networks, photo sharing. It allows features like real-time photos and short videos on the go. So friends, we are talking about cyber security. All these comes under cyber security, and you must be aware how to